In this video, you'll learn how to use an AI tool to separate people from the background. This can be used to create cool effects, like this one, where we desaturate the background, but keep the colors of the person in the foreground. To do this, you need the AI Background Remover extension. If you haven't installed it yet, you can get it from Adobe Exchange. Once the extension is installed, open it by navigating to Window and then Extensions. The first thing we'll do is increase the edge smoothing a bit, which will create a smoother overall experience. Since the subject is only moving a little, we can also increase the temporal smoothing. For even smoother masks, you can increase this even further. Once we've changed the settings, we can analyze the clip and wait for a few seconds. As you can see, the foreground has been isolated from the background. If we want to generate an effect like the one you saw before, we can import the original clip again and place it under our isolated subject. Now, we can change the brightness of the background, adjust the tone, or even desaturate it. Don't miss out on more tutorials and subscribe today.